blender mayo is so easy. It's basically an egg, some mustard, juice of half a lemon, salt and pepper, and a lot of oil. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using my recipe. First of all, pop your egg in here. Oops. Next you want 2 teaspoons of mustard. I'm using Dijon, but actually you can use whatever you like. 1, 2. I love mustard. Juice of half a lemon. Salt and pepper to taste. And then you want 350 millilitres of olive oil. So to measure that, I'm going to see where this has got to on the cup, and then I'm going to add 350 millilitres. That is 100 millilitres. I know it's hard to see. So if I get up to 450 with the oil, I've added 350. I just gently add it and allow it time to settle on the top. It's so easy to make. Okay, I've made a little platform so you can see. We've got the egg, the mustard, salt and pepper and the oil in there. All we're going to do is get an immersion blender, pop it over the egg yolk and slowly, actually I'm going to turn this down to slowly blend. You see how it's made it opaque at the bottom? I'm now going to see the mustard, the mayonnaise forming before your eyes. And come out the top just to get the top bit of oil mixed in. That's it. Solid mayonnaise.
And that's it.
There you go. Now what you want to do is taste that, adjust the seasoning. You need a bit more lemon in it, or a bit more mustard, or a bit more salt and pepper. Just adjust to taste. That's it.